Want to unlock the power of your Qlik Sense data to instantly visualize your most recent trends? First, let's make sure your data is loaded. Open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the Data Load editor. Ensure you have a field containing dates. In this example, we're using a sample sales data table. Make sure your data is loaded and saved. Now, let's create a new sheet and add a line chart to the canvas. Simply drag the line chart object from the Assets panel onto your sheet. Next, populate the chart. Set your date field as the dimension on the z-axis, then add your desired measure, such as sales or quantity, to the axis. This is the magic step. We are going to calculate the past 7 days trend. Next, click on Add Filter. In the filter expression, write the date function, today -7. This expression will calculate the date 7 days ago from the current date. And that's it. Now, your line chart will dynamically display the trend for the past 7 days. You can customize the chart further by adjusting colors, labels, and adding titles for better clarity. That's how to create a past 7 days trend in Qlik Sense.